Our artistic inspiration for going down this path is kind of the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi. Nothing is perfect. You do embrace those flaws, and there are a lot of flaws in these images. It's not a consistent process. It can't be replicated in a sense that imperfection is what makes it perfect art.
The authenticity of the image is really cool because it's one of a kind. You know, if you blink or if you have a certain smile, different little hiccups on there. There might be a scratch or something. They can't be undone. They can't put into Photoshop. It is what it is, which is really cool. It's the raw image and the beauty of the eyes, and it really tells a story.
This photography process is a direct positive technique. What it is it's exposure directly to paper instead of through negative, and then from there we take it into a chemistry developer, stop, and then we fix it and wash with water.
This technique is a little bit different because we're taking older cameras, older glass, and it gives a different look to what we're doing. Just kind of like a guitar, you know, an older guitar that somebody plays gives a different feel and a different sound. Same thing, we're using a different lens and it just gives a different unique look. A lot of times it gives a bokeh effect to the background, which is kind of nice.
Turning light into images is really about balancing light and shadow. It's trying to figure out where you want to add contrast, where you want to add highlight, where you want to subtract light, where you want to put shadow to shape the image.
What it's like when it comes out of the developing process and then we can see it for the first time. It's a good joy to have when you see this image pop in and then change, the chemistry changes, the developer brings in the tones, the highlights and the shadows, and then to bring it out into the water, into the sunlight and say, okay, did we get a good image?